do everything we have planned.
Our company has a huge soul.
Never give up.
I will do. Yes.
You must act constantly if you have decided that you can be a coach potato.
We have now created a huge army of dreamers.
Thanks to the company, we can fulfill all our dreams.
I will not gonna give anything what belongs to me. Enough!
1, 2, 3. I'm a swing partner and I'm excited!
Okay, into edala ukuthi ngenze leli business leli ukusiza nje abantu osesebenze for more than 25 years but akayiboni into ayenzayo akaboni ukuthi uyapi because ushawa imali because zonke izinto ofuna ukuzenza zidinga imali so ngizosiza umuntu onjalo ngizosiza nomuntu ofuna ukufaka imali ebusinessini ofuna onemali ofuna ukuyibeka akazi ukuthi uzoyibekaphi futhi nomuntu osaqala njengami business osaqala usafuna indlela or iformula yokuphila empilweni ngelinye lama formulas engithi umuntu akaqali ngalo ngithi akaqali ezo investor but ecompany we don't invest kuphela si provide education. I-education isizaphi to financial education ikusiza ukuthi u-fast track imali oyispendayo wazi ukuthi imali ngispendayo yini ofanele ithenge phakathi kwe-liability ne-asset wazi ukuthi imali iprotecta kanjani i-wealth iyona ama-subjects or iyona education i-companies provider and lama training siyawathola online na offline iyasifundisa we learn iphinde futhi sinikeze i-co-ownership si-investe and then mase siyaphumelela yona nje le system lesifundisayo manje le trainer umsebenzi iyanikeza umsebenzi afuna useqeda i-degree yakho iyakunikeza ayinikezi la you get education efundisa nge-investment i-company iphinde futhi provide ngayo investment and we don't just invest noma ngeke si-investa uma-companies awi-21st centuries ama-companies amanje isimanje afocuse kakhulu kwi-technology kwi-fintech kwi-blockchain technologies ku-artificial intelligence maningi-ke i-technology edlubhedu manje ezosiza abantu ukuthi iy'mpilo zethu zibe ngcono si-investa kuwona lawo ma-companies. I-compliance sidayisa nathi education CEIP stands for Education Information Products. Ngize la kwi-MLCI multi-level crowd investing iyona system esiyenzayo or iyona model esikwazi uku-investa ngayo. Ngize la kwi-CRU it's a crypto unit internal point for tokens. It's called a digital stock analog. It's a digital share. Ngizokuchazela ukuthi sifike kanjani kuma-digital share. Siqale ku-digital currencies like ama-Bitcoin, sekwenza Bitcoin. Ethereum imali esi-online imali esetshenziswayo irandi intwamamba liphele because libe yehle iveli yayo ishawa na-inflation so ama-currencies or ama-cryptocurrencies afike ngo-2008 kusetshenziswa i-technology to i-blockchain yize-ke abantu bengaboni ukuthi i-blockchain is beyond those cryptocurrencies iyasebenza even nakwi-financial markets that's why sikhuluma ngema-investment that's why even ama-bank iyawakhava i-blockchain technology i-CRU lesi-investa kuyona icombine ama-assets amangaki a-more than 60 ngikhuluma nge-bonds ngikhuluma ngama-properties ngikhuluma ngey'mayini ezombewa phansi ngikhuluma ngezinto even the-stock market sikhona la it's a native token. It's the first native token. Take native token it combine ama-assets amaningi to form i-share elilodwa or i-asset elilodwa. Properties and talent Goldman in Tanzania zikhona la Coca-Cola stock market ngizokuvezela wonke ama-slides. Please pay note the compliance and disclaimer of the company. We do not sell or don't have a license to sell shares on our tokens. Yini token? The token represents the development assets. Your security. All countries have their own rules. Wonke countries have their rules a financial product and we comply with those laws. That's why I'm presenter or ngidayisela ama-shares. Ngidayisela education, ngidayisela ama-shares. Mawungena ngidayisela i-company. Ngoba ama-countries anemithetho yakhona izodinga i-license house. Udayisa ama-shares. Uvumelekile ukudayisa ama-shares? Cha, ngakavumeleki, angakabi accredited.
And the company izosinikeza futhi lokho.
Izosinikeza ukuthi sikwazi ukwenza lokho. But lokho ukutholi-ke ngokuhlala, uthola ngokuthi u-investe nokuthi ugain education. Yini engenza lokho ngik-offer opportunity ungene kwi-education program. Thenga la akudingi i-license, a special license ukudayisa education. Noma ungayidayisa kumuphi umhlaba or liphi izwe ivumelekile education. Ikhampani ke ekuprovide ama-shares. Lana mase kuthiwa we offer an opportunity to participate in a world building trainings which provide i-fundamental rules, fundamental principles akufundisa kabanzi ngokwenza imali nokuprotecta wealth. Because mina ngeke ngithi umuntu namhlanje uthisha or udokotela kuzangene kuleyo industry uqala ukufundela akavesanga ukuthisha. Umuntu akavuki uthisha nje akavuki nje abe udokotela uyakufundela. Also in financing you also learn about financing, uyafundiswa. They try fanele ukufunda ama rules wazi ukuthi imali idlalwa kanjani mapha ama sectors afollowing the. Please, you can do your own due diligence, your own research, or we totally request quick confirmation we accountant or we financial advisor yakho. Normal yipi country ushuthi ngibheka la South Africa. Wonke umuntu une vision, nephupho khona amaphupho ofuna ukwenza, but awukwazi ukwafeza ngenxa yemali ukuthi awunayo. Or even nayo, but khona amaphupho amakhulu kakhulu awukwazi ukufezeka lokho. You have dreams, you have goals. Manga nje amaphupho siwafeze ofuna uwa-achieve since umncane, I'm sure khona usuwa-achieve khona ungakawa-achieve. Lana siyakukhumbuza-ke abanye sawakhohlwe, amanye siyakukhumbuza-ke la. Ofila kanjani nje empilweni yakho usefike usuku lokugcina but awakawa-achieve lama goal ufuna uwa-achieve. Ofila kanjani? Or ufile ukuthi sekhona ama-goals ami ngiwa-achieve usucabanga ukuthi sengenze ukuthi ukucabanga lokuthi khona izinto engizenzile ukuze ngidlule emhlabeni. Yinto sifuna kubantu umuntu engashone worried ukuthi khona izinto engazenzanga, khona izikweletu engashiya emhlabeni. Ukhumbula amaphupho akho ufuna uwa-achieve zonke izinto ofuna ukuyifeza. Success stories, nama-success stories uLeader Veron lo khona manje. Usma from Bangeni, ushila abala eSouth Africa lapho. Abantu asebephambili laba ngokwebusiness. Abasespend 2 years 4 years ebusinessini. Bakhona. Sebephumelele bainvest kakhulu. Success story. Yini ke senzayo? Sisenza i-global distribution of wealth. Sifuna abantu abaphumelele. Sifuna ukusiza abantu aba 15%. Yazi ngokuphasa lo 15% uzoguquka, impilo yakho izoshintsha lesimo ophila kusona. Because abantu laba usiyo uhandle ufuna ukubasiza ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi bebambe iqhaza kuma investment enzakalayo or kuma programs ngoba kuhlezi kushintsha nje ufika i-technology ethile uthi ufuna ukusiza lo 15% lo ube nethuba lokwazi uku-investa lapho. So wena you pick uzoba co-own stakeholder if you invest in if u 50% wena. Sifuna lokho, sifuna ukushare global distribution of wealth. Sifuna safe and security. Manga amapharo wazini. Zinga nje igebengu engesiwona lamapharo egqoka njengawo umuntu ehlupha abantu. Yini bafunani imali abazi imali nje kanjani. So la sifuna safe and security, value added, prosperity and happiness. Happiness iyeke unemali uyabana happiness. Yini edala ukuthi happiness because usu limited i-stress esidalwe imali. I-stress eningi edalwe imali. Esinye sidalo wawazi ukukhokhela kanjani umuntu omkweletayo. Enye yama-stress izinto ofuna ukuzenza awunamali but kuphoqelekile ukuthi uzenze. Ukushona kwabantu vele shona umuntu owakini but awunayo imali yoku-afforda yokumngcwaba. So and uma unemali kuba lula ukuthi ukwazi ukuzenza lezo zinto. Sifuna lokho realizations of dream. Sesikhule sabo 1.4 million. Kusasa nje sole report umuntu abantu abasasiza 1% sawude kakhulu 25%. So safanele kusetshenzwe nawe ungaba ingxenye yabo 1% ukude kabi ngeke ufane nomuntu ozofika sesiwu 10%. So isesihambe kakhulu ngokwe investment wasezo sesinesikhathi sithi 2014 nathi i-multi-level crowd investing yini. Multi-level crowd investing appears as a real last chance for average person without a large capital to become financially free in the space of a system of entrepreneurship. The job acts as an Barack Obama in 2012 to support some small business and entrepreneurs abasakhula. Inikeza i-chance ukuthi uinvest noma ngamalini ofuna uku-investa ngayo kwi-global investment. Yabo nje ku-Facebook kwakufanele ube ngala initial investment yakho nile. Ngiyathanda ukwenza ku-Facebook because initial investment yakho ngicabanga ukuthi yincane. $500 unayo le mali 7.5 million. Shuthi kuchaza ukuthi amathuba nje ohlezi kwabantu abarich. Wena shuthi mawungenayo le mali uyohlezi uhlupheka. Ngeke ukwazi uparticipate even noma sekuthiwa uthanda kanjani, ngeke ukwazi uinvest. So wase wa create lesi scheme nathi abantu aba invest 2000, aba invest 5000, aba invest 10000, aba invest 18000 yaphezulu. Abafake noma yiphi imali abafisa ukuyifaka kwi-material crowd investment. Iphinde futhi inikeze i-chance lokuthi siza abantu abaka kwi-cycle yakho because masunemali bazophinde bekujikele futhi. Siza kubalethe i-company zokuholela so that uzoqhubeka utshela abantu wale business wokutshelwanga ungeke wazi ngayo. So imnandi ngalokho optionally siya investor la unga-invest uthule mawuzokwazi ukumelana nabantu abaseduze kwakho. Uyenze nje yini afanele ithenge what is the liability an asset yini afanele ithenge. Nathi ke sihlanganisa ku-mass level sithi investor uthola investment consulting training sasa nje sinama trainings awu-2 invest online investment instrument uthola ama-investment instrument ngoba ngisho ukuthi si-investa kuma-companies esimanje manje or kuma-sectors enza imali. So when you are told to invest plus ownership, opportunities to increase your capital quick, capital J for the last 14 months, you go 700%, more than 700%. So that's why I'm 1.8. What come out was only 178,000. Money equally high because more much last year we told my tokens among 20,000. Manje value must calculate ngoku because into esenza le company thina asithi umuntu abuild income hand to mouth sithi akabuild portfolio izokholela for life. Kunomehluko between income ne-portfolio. Income hand to mouth ukuthi imali yokuthi ngikwazi ukuphila ikwazi ukukhokhela izinto engifuna ukuphila ngazo. I-portfolio imali ozosebenza maybe for 3 years, 2 years to 5 years iholela ungakazi usebenza. Izokwenzela income i-portfolio. You don't work for income. You work for a portfolio izokreathela income. Uthenga asset, uthenga property. Lana ku-material business, access trainings, home business. Yabo i-company ibibonile i-research umhlaba wonke ukuthi why 10% of people on planet besebenzela u90% of beona u90% wemali on planet. Lento lefisa ku90. Sifike sayishare imali, sicreate lokuthi abantu aba-own imali aba participate ngama companies. Ungeze ngithiwa khona Facebook but awu-own lutho. What is the new economic condition of the world? How to enter in investors close cap, how to become a co-owner of companies, access in which close and receive a passive income. We receive a passive income. So present if you are new passive income. Now which is a business. We had a concept which was Russia. Which influences abantu in 1987 when they into investment. We CEO of group of companies. The author and creator and CEO of academy. We are not called multidisciplinary professional investor businessman, author of the Crypto Unit program, host of Secret Millionaires with Conduct TV program, the best business coach in the financial investment personal development of 2018 according to the Million Rich magazine and finance. Unzima akuna sezoma investment. And we are sharing upon investment is efakile ufake yona imali fast ngalendlela. So uzosiza wena mjito uthi fundiseka nge-investment. Awarded the Dove of Peace made up by the International Public Association World General Fund. We want peace kulo mhlaba. Sifuna abantu bengabi bodwa ngoba manje elwa nje bangumnotho. So into esidevelopa kwi-company. Ngizela ukuba financial independence nokuba financial free. Ukuba financial independence lapho khona uhola imali engango 18,000 njalo ngenyanga. But kuyahlupa ukuba financial independence because iqalile last for 10 years. Ukuba financial freedom lapho khona une-investment or invest more than $1 million ikwenzela i-percent maybe ngango 5% njalo ngonyaka. Ukuba financial freedom lokho. Ngizela asset lapho khona you spend your time entweni ezokwenzela imali. Ayidli imali kuwena. Ilethela imali income for lifetime up until udayisa. Liability into ethatha imali kuwumoto, umuzi lo hlala khona, yingubo oyithenga ukudla. Ufona under liabilities. Asset, property rent isabantu, stock market uthenga ama shares. Ziningi izinto zama asset, into eyenza imali kuwo. Investment usuke usune portfolio investment yakho leyo. Investing izipho khona usuthatha imali usuya investor une portfolio. Ama level of investors ke now inani negative 0 amateur clever continuous experienced professional. Umuntu negative umuntu ophila ngekweletu. Lokho afuna ukuyenza ukuthi nje mina ngiphila ngesikweletu u-bankrupt debt ucwilile ekweletini ubhizi emashonisi utsheleka nanemali lokho afuna ukuyenza utsheleka imali utsheleka imali yathi umuntu oyi-negative ngizo zero investor never borrow money from anyone, never lend it, usually vegetables. Abatshelekisi ngemali. Yilabo aba-rich, angingasho ukuthi ba-rich, labo abanemali abayibona ukuthi bangcono nabanye abantu. Uthi uma umtshela ukuthi yini leyo? Yini nje leyo umtshela ngayo? Hawu umtshela yilo mfana, yini ofana le ngitshela yona manje? Yini engayitshela yilo mfana? Kodwa uthi ngimlalele. Umuntu onjani? Oyi-zero investor. Akanayo information, una-zero knowledge, akanayo information ngebhizinisi. Uthi nama-investment, wazi nje wona le-investment because ikhona lesarela ayithola ngokuba udokotela, uyibona engcono umuntu. Listen na kwi-amateur investor, umuntu ofuna a large percentage in a short space of period. Umuntu onjani? Oyi-amateur loyo. Ngize kwi-clever investor, alikho ibhizinisi angalazi. Clever investor, alikho ibhizinisi angalazi imali kodwa kanayo. Yini lo into engithanda ngayo uthanda i-long term investment. Ngize kwi-continuous investor. Sene-understanding ukuthi yini investing. Everything investing, sene-understanding yokuthi what is an asset, what is a liability. Yini afanele ithenge, usakwazi ufast track imali yakho ukuthi cha akufanele ngispende kangaka, afanele ngispende ngapha afanele ngithenge lezi zinto lezi. Usene-understanding ukuthi yini la asset ne-liability. Kuningi asewase-understand. Useyakwazi nokwenza imali at engango-10,000 yaphezulu kwi-portfolio yakhe. Experience kube professional but lokho uzothola ngokuhamba kwesikhathi. Ngize la kwi-academy i-founded ngo-2011. Sina online offline portal for trainings and sicula iculo lesithi financial literacy, genius of finance, fundiseka ngemali. Sicula lelo culo lelo la ekhaya. And then masucula lelo culo sifake nama-investment sithi investor. Opportunity to over 100 students, various of courses and training. Kunama-training njalo offline na online. Now education etholako, it's rules of private investor. Don't be greedy. Lenyama rules. Save 10% of your income, commandment. Always learning. Have a financial plan. As ukuthi imali yakho we save up, we yenzani. As ngalokho. Imali yakho we spend. What is financial independence? What is financial freedom? Ama rules now. Asifundiswa ngawo as a beginning yawathola education program yoyithola nonke necompany. Yazi ke thina futhi siculayo la sithi abantu bajwayele bathanda ukuwina ilotho. Wonke umuntu ongenayo imali unesifiso uthi engake ngiwina ilotho njengosi yami. Even ngisho abangayidlali bethi ngake ngiwina ilotho ngiphupha inami. Even ngisho abangayidlali. Thina lana sithi create your own lotto. And ilotho yakho 100,000 or 100 million obona kwi-TV wenze nge-investing. Listen na we 3 pillars or 3 components. Sifocus kwi-education, sifundiseka ngokwezimali. Understand ukuthi imali isebenza kanjani. Offerishwa yonke into. Khona ama-courses athengwa, khona ama-courses angathengwa. Thola ama-investment offers or investment co-ownership. Usuthengile la, usuyi-co-owner, usuyi-shareholder ama-companies. Build your own business. Ibhizinisi ungabhida ngendlela eziningi. Ungabhida ngokukhepha abantu, nokusiza into ngetha la build business. Usiyakwazi ukukhuluma nabantu obukwazile ukufika la ekhaya. You can start your own company from scratch. But ngayo ngokuthi ukwenza iphile business. Singenile na ku-stock market ngoba ngishilo ukuthi into yama-security token iyakalawa ukuthi ungene na ku-blockchain, ku-stock market, ungene kuma-bonds, ungene kuma-properties, ungene kwimayini. I-stock market-ke lezi lama-companies siwathokenizile si-investe kuwona. I-blockchain esalawa yini i-blockchain? It's a new way of recording data or ama-transaction. Iyona esebenzayo. Siqalisa recorda phi data ematsheni. Sayaphi emabhodini. Sayaphi emaphepheni. Sasuke emaphepheni sayaphi ma-computer. Ma-computer sayaphi la ku-blockchain. That's why uzobona ama-companies amanye izolotsha imakethe yakhona yi-STO, ama-shares or ama-assets asengama-security token ku-blockchain. That's why ubona imali yamayithwana yama cryptocurrencies. Siyafaka la, investile la kwi-stock market. Enye ama companies, ngoba ngithe more than 60, uSkyway, innovative transport technology, eyase Dubai. Bhala la sisibuildiwe tu, nase Dubai sibuildiwe. Itimela lezi fast, can take you from Johannesburg to Durban within 2 hours. Zicontroller AI, zizo decrease i-human error ngendlela ezi-driveless ngayo. So buka nje lezi ekhona la eSouth Africa. Sisahlula nje ilezi efana i-Gautrain, la iDurban. Sisahlula lezi itimela. Lezi sihamba ngazo sibuka ukuthi njani. So lezi phesheya sekusebenziswa ngale technology. Bahlezi bedevelop thina sezineminyaka ezitimela izinkolo. Maybe more than 40 years. Angazi ngoba ngifike ngo-2018 ukuthi sibesine. But sesi-investa la. Sekula. Sinama-shares directly company because it be first project. Ne-CRU ikhona yona. I-provider ne-CRU co-ownership group of CRU global portfolio. Uthola ama-monthly loyalty program bonuses, opportunity to receive unconditional profit bonuses, ama-dividends, njalo ngenyanga. Regulated and transparent fundraising, CRU value growth due to the increase of assets. Yanyuka i-value, yanyuka kakhulu futhi. And ayimlindi umuntu olibethi ngisawucabanga, ayimlindi iyanyuka. Next month kusasa nje izokusinyuka. Possibility of secretion of CRU in the global merchandising. Ama-tokens esinawo ku-blockchain yethu. We have our own exchange that's powerful ngayo. Now, the security, stablecoin utility. Sithi thina thenga yiphi? Security token, because izocreatela i-passive income. Yeni passive income, ilapho khona you work for 2 years, to 5 years, ikhona for lifetime without working. Ihlukile nama-income ethu i-portfolio and income. And income lapho you work for someone and wenza imali ngokusebenza nje kuphela isara. I-portfolio income lapho khona you buy low and say hi, uthenga property 100,000, uyilungise urenovate uyidayise 150,000. I-portfolio income. Thina si-create i-passive income la. Ungasebenzi kakhulu, usebenza kancane uinvest. Let your money works for you. Into islogan esicula kakhulu information age manje. Imali fanele isebenzele wena without putting a lot of effort. Size la ku-utility token, yenye ama-tokens lawo. But azovumeleka ngokuhamba kwesikhathi. Ngathi ekhona investor manje ngoba yona evulelekile. Mawuthenga uthenga ngalezi imali lezi ama-US dollars, $50, 1,000 rand. 250 close to 5,000, $1,000, $18,000, $4,000, more than 40,000, $10,000. Uthola a number of tokens. Umuntu uyangibuza ngoba ngifaka 1,000, 1,000 nami uzongiholela malini? Awuholelwa 1,000, uholelwa imali le number yama tokens. Ngeke nje umbuzo ukuthi mangithenga i-property ngo-100,000, lo 100,000 uzongiholela malini? I-property ukuthi abantu abazohlala khona bazobe bekhipha malini kuyona leyo property. So nalana-ke you buy an asset ezokuholela. So mawuna 250 mase ilod leyo uzocreatela ama-dividends njalo ngenyanga. So kubalulekile ukuthenga i-stage singakashintshi. Today it's the last day ubona le number. It's the last day. Next month but bayishintshile lezi numbers lezi. 200 la, if I'm not mistaken. Ngibonela ishedule lisho, but zizobe seyishintshile zizobe ngasafani nalezi. Iyehla. Yabo nje kade ngisho 1.8 ngoMarch, lethola 20,000. Keep 2,000 manje. Ama-tokens lawo aholelayo. Assets. Keep 2,000 uzothola 250. Yabo ngena kuqala kuyashesha ukuthi kuyasiza ungena kuqala. Lilodwa logcine seku 2,000. Kuyasiza ukushesha ungena kwi-investment ekanje. Nathi le-Creative VIP uzokwazi ukwenza everything for Khokha VIP subscribe njalo ngenyanga uma ungena u-200 250 200 rand $10 lo. Yini sizaphi? Abantu abana-understanda ibhizinisi inikeze access ukuthi ukwazi uku-investa nje. Staking, exchange, unblock, save upon, uthola namanye ama-investment, uthola namanye amathuba. Manje khona amathuba o-DM, data mining. Indlela futhi izosiza kakhulu isi-attract abantu. Iyakhuluma, yenza yonke into. Yethe robot exhumene nama-social media liyasiza-ke lona. Yenye kuyofika u-Ugain. Sasa nje kuzoba kune-webinar ya-ekuseni ya-Ugain. So kuyasiza ukuthi ukhokhe i-VIP so lizothola ama-chances. Offers, bonuses and serious advantages. Ama-loyalty bonuses ngizwe ngathi asezoholela abakhokhi i-VIP. But sisazoyifundisisa kahle. Angena njalo ngenyanga ama-loyalty bonuses. So i-discount
i-VIP ihol 10%. Ungayo i-VIP is 5%.
yes, of i-profit eyenziwe ikhampani njalo ngenyanga. Ngenye ama-staking, if uhold i-investment yakho iphinde kenzela if ufuna ukunyusa ama-CRU or i-number of CRU nawo, i-staking but sivuleleka for 11 months ngosuku o-investing ngalo. So umuntu ofika manje ngithi mhlambe kena ezobo 6 months ngeke kube isikhathi eside ngoba sesiya kufana stage ekuthiwa i-STO exchange. Yini i-exchange? Lapho khona sengasa-investing umbani. When unikezwe 18 months kuthiwa investor multi-level crowd investing, only 18 months lamathuba abona wakho lamathuba nini. Unifaka imbobo inality kuthiwa investor 6 March kuthiwa faka imali yakho ufisa ukuyifaka 18 months. Abantu aba-rich bazo umuntu ongena kwimarket ama-regulations ase-USA commissioner lawa athi fanele at least ube ne-asset endala $1 million. Una $1 million ongena la abanye bathi hey ngizongena ama-slow-chile aslow-chile nomlomo kasi
Yeah, no. Sizongena sesiqalile i-white paper yethu leya right from bisiqhubeka ngoJune beyibhala legal opinion, everything esenzayo siyisubmit legal team. KYC, this is going to be finished. Everyone must complete his own KYC. September 2020 launch of the STO, which means the company is oqale ingene kuNasdaq. This is very, very important. So October is our big day. Every time figure October, company yaqala October 2014. So October inyanga esiyicelebrate yingakho ngo-October sibe ne-event enkulu. Last October besise India, this October we were in Moscow angani basizona this year because ngathi amabhano yakhe iphansi. Ngenxa yezifo ekhona. Kodwa ke umsebenzi awumanga ngoba siyayenza imali. Phase 1 siuqalile i-realization of the CRU program. Phase 1 was 2014. Useshilo mfowethu what this program is set up for stipulated time, which is 18 months duration yakhona. Siyaqeda ku 18 months from April i-crowd sale iyaphela, so sekuzosebenza wona ama-regulated investors la asoyikwazi uku-investa ngo-1 million. Thina lesinikeza iwindi lika 18 months ukuthi ungafaka ngisho 10,000, ungafaka ngisho 1,000, ungafaka ngisho 3,000, ungafaka ngisho 20,000. Bakwenzile ke abafowethu ukusukela ngo-April last year bayikhula nami. Manje sikwi-stage lapho siko 17 months lapho siya ku-launch, the global launch, CRU circulation project global. We are opening on global for big and regulated investors. Bangene thina sisuka kwi-fundraising, bathi siyadlula ku-fundraising. Fundraising kufanele ukuthi wena usazama imali yokulungisa umzi wakini, uphinde futhi uzame imali yokwakha ibhizinisi lokuthi ube uyaphila. Sikubiza ngoba usa-fundraiser. Bebona nje mina nje umuntu ongangibiza athi last year bengi-fundraiser. Now this year sengiyayeka ku-fundraiser, sengenza into ekuthiwa yi-plan implementation. I-plan implementation yilapho sowunayo imali osuyibalela ukuthi ngizoyisebenzisa ngenze ngayo something, iyona usuqala ukuthi senzoqala implementa ama-plans wami. Amanye amadoda aye emabhenki ayokwenza ama-loans. 20 sectors of the investment market. So sikhuluma nge-education, multi-level crowd investing, development sector, business equity through co-ownership of the sector. This is part of the areas in businesses divided kuwona. Health and longevity development, innovative and transport development sector. Kamanye ama-transport are innovative. Bese ikhulumile ngayo i-Skyway Technologies, banking sector, stock markets sector, forex market sector, cryptocurrency market sector, insurance sector. Insurance here on the blockchain. Useshile ekhuluma nge-blockchain. I-blockchain is a distributed ledger, is a database, is like ulwandle i-Bitcoin ufish. Sasiyesho njalo masichaze i-Bitcoin, i-blockchain. I-real estate, innovative development, transport, agriculture and farming development sector, entrepreneurs. Kubalulekile abantu base South Africa bafundiswe. Uyazi, do you know into engikhathaze kakhulu in the past few weeks kukhona istory besikhozini kuDudukhoza lesi story lesi besikhuluma bekhona ubaba obeboshwe for 22 years ehlala ejele kuthiwa naye uzokwazi ukuchaza ukuthi indaba emobi wayebamba ama-banks uthi waboshwa iBarclays i-Absa kusekhona iBarclays ibona abantu bebene-intelligence enzima kakhulu uthi babamba amabhenki awu-7 ngithi mina babamba amabhenki awu-7 waze wawubamba ibhenki lika-8 waboshwa yilona wayengayisebenzisi ngani le mali le emabhenki enze ngayo i-entrepreneurship because asitrainekile kukhona umuntu bekade nemali ukudlula mina 2 years back ngo-2018 beyeka kwi-teaching wathola almost 1 million ngamtshela ukuthi sine-investment ngoba ngo-2018 impela sasingenamali sasiyiqala sasiyipheka le business ngo-2018 and kwakufanele sireze ama-fund o-investor ngiyacabanga ukuthi kwamenza wangayibona-ke sisakahle investment so kwamshaya-ke lokho ngena shabha donsi isichapha okay so kwamenza kwamshaya-ke lokho science sector, culture sector, precious and semi-precious metals sector, precious and semi-precious stone sector, space development sector, sine-charity as well. So EKG Club is one of our program. Animator ama movies khona eAsia, the whole Asia. So incompanies invest nayo kuyona. Icompany yethu ingxenye lama companies yenze association with group of companies. Afundraise imali yethu. Ingakho sinama investment amahle afanele. Is a movie animator industry lena. Yeah, animation, entertainment business. Entertainment, high quality entertainment eChina nase-India. Njengamanje focus yabo iChina ne-India imarket. Ngiyakhumbula uCEO wakhona wayekhona eIndia ekhuluma ngama-animation products esebewa inventile e-technology. Sase-India last year ngangikhona mina e-India. Ngiyakhumbula ngasuka la eSouth Africa impela. So. Uthi sorry kwi-video. Gold creation of high quality project and film production in the market of China and India as well as the world filming market. So iqhubeka iyakhula kakhulu industry kakhulu sesiyaqeda. iCryptomat is one of the ATMs ze-CRE points. So uma ufuna ukuthenga order ungakwazi uorder le machine and the cheapest one $100,000 amarandi, the cheapest one. Abizo 150 kuya ku 200,000 kuya ngokwe-technology esetshenzisiwe lapha. Mina nje I want to order mine now because I'm capable to do that. Yona into engayithanda ngisangena ngathi mangase ngikhule financially ngizokwazi ubuilda ibusiness eli-sustainable elizokwazi ukuthi likwenzele imali. Innovative Bazaar Technologies, founder in the company, Dimitri Innovative Bazaar Technologies. He founded a company, yes, in Russia. Now the company is Universal Technology. The company and the IPO is stronger with technology because technology are called universal. Kahle focus in team. So in team, what ability, but in team is strong because by time we Black Sea, material. So it has the ability to replace most existing materials. The Sushmaster is a Japanese supply chain restaurant. It's in Asia kakhulu. Tina sithenge i-franchise lana. I-company ithenga over 10,000 yama-restaurant license to operate in kuyona. So sesinama restaurant esiwavulile nje kulonyaka u-39 eSushi. Ithayisa ukudla ekuthiwa iCuisine. Normally thina-ke makupresentwa lento ngiyakhumbula ngise-India abantu abaningi e-stadium bashaya imfiyo kukhulunywa ngalento thina sazuphuthu ngala ngathi ngiyababona bajabulile impela shoot is a wonderful business so asabe thina sijabule kakhulu sancedisa bona ukuthi bajabule because asikazi lutho makuyiwa kwinto eziningi ezingase zisenzele imali. Online platform is a Shikadi ikhona futhi nenye ebizwa YouGain. These platforms is in a messaging chat. You can book your ticket. You can do anything. Is a technology. You have a vending machine, the smartphone. So if you can buy yours, you can order. Now it will allow for members to buy after launch. anyone can place an order on this one. It's a payment system. Uma ngabe ufaka umuntu uyayithola imali kuwo wonke umuntu oyifakile. Okay, umuntu momfakile akuphoqelekanga ukuthi afake abantu. Kodwa uma ngabe uzofaka abantu sinamabonus osuke abantu sokhulume nabo uzokwenza imali sisukela kwi-partner sey-agent sey-consultant sey-manager sey-leader manager siye kwi-top yilapho engikhona mina siye kwi-top manager siye kwi-vice president siye kwi-president uqobo. Ama-trainings akhona every day. Abakhona ama-trainings amanye aqhubeka online. Sonke siyatrainwa online ikhona ezongena ngo-2 nje. Nje is about 20 minutes ingene. Unlimited instantaneous income, international business without leaving the house, opportunity to become a business coach. Uyaqeqeshwa. Sizothola ama-loyalty programs until 2021. Yayibona lento leyo. So umuntu wasifaka nanguya umfana waseGoli uhlala ePretoria baningi abantu abayithanda ibusiness global. Ngiyakhumbula special kwakugcwele abantu boPortugal, Netherlands, England, USA. Khosa sashuta nomfana oyengakwazi ukukhuluma nje isingisi ekhuluma iSpanish ngwaseColombia. Sashuta wathi ucela sizobonisa abantu bangakho wavele wasethu uFacebook wakho waba live. Wathi masijabule nje senze noma yini. You understand? Wagamuzwa esethi yabona this thing now nama blacks asengenile asakhona ngisho emsane ama blacks kaJohn basemuva kakhulu mekuyintweni abantu abamnyama basemuva ngendlela eyisimanga angikaze ngiyibone mina abantu abamnyama basemuva futhi abanyakazi ukuthi basondele omnye uthemba ukuthi hayi thina sizozama nje ukuthi sizame nje ukuthi sihlanganise ngendlela esihlanganisa ngayo iphelile indaba kahulumeni. Uhulumeni wethu last week nje uboleke 70 billion ku-IMF last week. Ngizwile futhi ukuthi lizodayisa izwe mangabe singayikhokhanga leya mali. Uzobona lesiqedeza se-ID senjwa ukuthi awuseyena wala leli lizwe li-ownerishwa amaPortuguese. Indonesia number 1. This is a big advantage for umuntu ofuna ukwenza business. If abantu base-Indonesia bengena kangaka lana, abantu base-Vietnam, abase-Afghanistan, abase-Mongolia, abase-Philippines, abase-Uzbekistan, Nigeria, i-Oman, i-New Zealand, i-India, i-South Africa yake yangena last year kwi-top 10. Futhi nge-performance, hayi nge-signing. Yake yangena nge-performance eSouth Africa. But singabantu abalezi thina. Mina I'm not doubting iSouth Africa ukuthi lezi. I'm not doubting. I know very well because abantu bakhona bayamudla umuntu ofuna abantu baye phambili. That's the bad thing. And banganani abantu abafike balwe nabantu abafana noMandela. Ikhona igeneration efana noMandela kodwa icinezelo ngabanye bango. Bibuza kwabanye bawo ukuthi izothini. Ungabuza kumuntu ophuwa mentality ukuthi uzothini. Nizoyathi nalo muntu ngoba lo muntu uzosuka becela imali elambile. Ngiyasebenza. So iIndia ngokwe-production number 1 sasile kulolu uhlu kethina. Number 1 iUSA number 1. Isandongena iUSA. EUSA into ebangela ingene lecompany ithema iregister kwiNasdaq eDalwa. Yathi siyayithanda lento. Iregister ezweni lakithi eUnited States. Bangena. Bafike babhitha kwasani besuka kunumber 100. Baku2 kusasa kobe phuma ama report ngilindele ukuthi bahlale ku1. Kusasa. Because ayikho into engabhithi eUnited States. EUnited States ihlaniphe kakhulu makuzwa kwi-e-commerce. Bayazi kade basebenza nge-internet. Abantu balana basafuna ukubamba into ngezandla kuthiwe bamba la sisuke la phatha madumelane phusha amabhala beyi-construction kwenziwe ibhilidi e-USA akusathintwa lutho yonke into yenziwa umshini. Vietnam, Oman, Italy. I-Italy ngiyithanda ngani bangabantu bokuqala abasebenza nzima kule business ngo-2014 lisasuka phansi especially lo bhuti lo kuthiwa nguJalba. Sikhona isithombe engangisithathe naye ngoba uyena umuntu wangathi ngilibukele kwi-YouTube leli business ngathanda indlela eweyichaza ngayo Intaliyane lelo. Ngaze ngathatha isithombe ngashuta nayo ngiphesheya ngoba ngangisho ukuthi nami ngithola ithuba lokuthi ngikwazi ukucommunicate kwi-level ephezulu nalabantu abasuccessful basichazele ukuthi benza kanjani. IPeru, Kazakhstan, iNetherlands yaziwa ngebhola iNetherlands leNtaliyane. Netherlands nje ilizwe elidume ngebhola kodwa likhona kwi-e-commerce ngoba izinga le-education liphezulu khona lapha. iNew Zealand lidume nge-All Blacks. Yeah, bayasazi iSpringbok. ISouth Africa ngikutshela umuntu abanga ukuthi idume ngebhola uqamba amanga alaziwa nhlobo ibhola khuluma ngerugby. hamba uma ufika eIndia ubuzwa kumakhaya ntini noPercy Magomere wela wecricket uShem uAmle yabona uAmle intshebe isulumani babuza ngalo bakubize ngoAmla bakubiza ngolento khona umfana manje la oyispring eSouth Africa ke icricket abantu bakhona bayishaya indiva bayazi inhlobo ungamangani ukuthi idlalwa kangaka kanje ngoba eIndia is strict thing icricket eIndia into edlala nje ingane emgaqweni kuthina ngiyathi bakaze ngachaza ngathi man I want to tell South Africa was once divided country khona abantu abangazi lutho ngerugby but they are original people from South Africa abazi lutho ngerugby khona abantu abangazi lutho ngecricket but guess what they are from South Africa. South Africa was divided in such a way that was very hard for someone to copy komunye ukuthi bangakwazi uhlangana abantu bakhona benze business. You understand experience. So ukhula kwethu kuzosiza ngoba abanye abathize ngaba baningi abantu abangakhula kwenzeka ukhula inyinto because kusebenzisa psychology. So unzima kakhulu. So manje siye emcimbini eMoscow angiboni uzoba khona eRussia. Uma usufuna ungena mfethu seshilo ubaba ushilo wathi you can register step by step, you can register and API yakho ku back office and you become a member ye VIP ngokhokho 200 rand and you can choose what package you want ewetha ama shares owadingayo. Step number 4 training ka 90 days muthanda uyayingenelela akhona ama trainings enzeka online njengamanjena thina nje mina nje ngikhumbula ungena kwami ngo2018 kwakhona itraining yayizokwenziwa ngomnyu brother wase Australia la ekuthiwa nguAndrew Hawks so wayese Pretoria bephukelwe ihotel ekhongaye kwakhokha u6000 nje ungena emnyango kwetraining so bayatrainana u6000 kumuntu waseSouth Africa mkhulu kakhulu for itraining engasithola lutho emveni kwalokho ngoba sisesemuva kwa imali asinayo bacabanga abantu ukuthi imali yenziwa ngokuthi ube phambili no yenziwa ngesystem imali kwisystem if you cannot manage umlungu manage system akamanage imali sigcwele la manje kodwa ngubani wenza imali eThekwini nje bagcwele angaka mhlawumbe ubani nama shares eShoprite nje bagcwele angaka eShoprite eWoolworth umlungu because you manage a system wonke lamabhilidi imost yawo khona manje athiza aba-honorishayo but abelungu bazitop dogs kuthina so thina sikhule sidiscover weak point yawo yebo mina nje ngijabulile namashares over 1 million yebo so ungabuka ukuthi be-aggressive kanganani yindaba because we are behind sekhona izinto ezinkonkotha senzenjalo because abantu bayakhonkotha nasekhaya bayakhonkotha because we're doing well financially so bakhala kuwe because abantu bikutshele sine-black tax i-black tax ilapho umuntu eripotela umuntu ukuthi angikaze ngidle indoda endalanga ke ngayazi ukuthi ayikazidla yebo because kufanele thina sigrowe ngamandla makuzwa ku-business okwangempela so njengamanje ngibonile i-growth ibe khona last year especially khona umfana ongekho la ukubo ePotchefstroom he has done a killer business here u-investe ngendlela engakaze ngiyibone and imncane and guess what uinvesta kakhe kanjani kuyofundisa yonke igenga wayephila nayo yasemncane ukuthi kuya-invest usemncane yona ibisayidlalile ntuka ngale WhatsApp sekuyena esekhombisa ukuthi use-investe ngemali ngayo uhlele ekhaya ngikhuluma nanje imali iyangena uhlale ngifonela zonke insuku uyabuya kodwa this month uma ungena unikezwa 250 igift le uyaphiwa iyona nto kodwa into emnandi business leli njengoba ngo2014 mina na 2 years and couple months now so njengoba ngo2014 kuthiwa nobani ngashona imali yami izosala kungani zami yebo bashiyelana baba bethu yini abanani kuthiwa mina noma ngashona ngihola every month bese ngiyashona money doesn't stop because nginama shares if you build this ngakuthatha 24 months ubuild this ngakuthatha 24 months awulutho 24 months ngoba ungasokola impilo yakho uze uyoshona emhlabeni wami 24 months uzobe sola unless awuqala izindawo focus here I want this business to be big for me I want this business to be big for me. This is mine. seseqedile i-presentation ne. If nje okay, I want to own more shares in the business. This is my account. Let me just open the keys. Do you know ukuthi the most people abangenamali abafocus kwinto ezobasiza and into ezobasiza bayithandi. Bathanda into ezobadlela imali. Do you know that? Abantu into ezobasiza abayithandi, bathanda into ezobadlela imali. Wait there. Yeah, I need the table. Abantu abaningi into ezobasiza abayithandi, bathanda into ezobaletha down more than into ezobasiza. Zikhona mina izinto engizabe ngemali senginemali. Ngabona ukuthi sifuna imali yami. Ngabona ukuthi kufanele ngiziyeke. Ngisho ngiyathanda, no ukuthi ngizithanda. Kune-pain eyenzakalayo ngesikhathi ngiyiyeka. Kodwa unconvinced because why ngizoba stupid emva kwalento. Ibe yona ingangifuni kodwa mina ngiyayikhokhela. Uyayibona? Into eningi esizithandayo azinayo ifuture. Into eningi esizithandayo azinayo ifuture kuthina. Yayibona mashas, this is almost a portfolio. Umfethu bekhuluma ngeportfolio. Why? Because a portfolio is what will give you income. This is almost 1,085,000 a portfolio. That is portfolio. Bekhuluma ngeportfolio. Accepted over $11,000. Do you know $11,000? Hello? Statistics. Okay. General information. Make it big. Bold. These are just earnings over $119,000. Close to 2 million. But again, over the past 2 years, total close to 2 million. If I work now in 2 years, you can beat umuntu wasebenza for 5 years. In 2 years, you will forecast when they learn cool business wise. But they are watching. They can watch you. Hey, they can do anything. You can choose to decide to team. Because about I know mina ke sengitrainekile abantu. Umuntu bekhuluma ebhedayo kumina fanele ukuthi ukhulume change. Because I have everything engifuna, but umuntu bekhuluma ebhedayo kumina, nobu negative, nobu positive. Mina I'm not rejected. Kuthiwa the most kuthiwa sithi study sikhishwe la. Abantu abaningi mayixoxa into ayenzayo waze wangayinqumi omunye uyakhathazeka lokade emxoxela ngoba abekho used kwi place lapho i-rejection ikhona. You understand? Kuthiwa most people who are doing a traditional work, i-traditional work yilo msebenzi esiyenzayo. Kuthiwa abekho used kwi-environment yokungabikho happy kwabantu. Ngeke kube ilunga le-ANC uvote because if we reject you uzothi we are because you don't have a leadership spirit. I was rejected in many ways. I was rejected in many ways. I had all the rubbish of words, but in Zulewona, There was a day ngingenayo imali yokurenta. But today, I make that day, it's like a history. It's no more for me. Because I've been deciding to do something. Even those days, ngangisenza kahle, kodwa knowledge yami yabikho kule level ekuyona. Ngangisenza kahle because I was training ukuthi ngangijikelele izwe, lingayizi into engisho. That's what happened in life. That's what happened. Because easy come, easy go. Who want easy come? Because bangangashayekanga ngangizokwazi ukufunda kule experience ngoba impilo the more ushayeka the more success comes. Abantu abangazange bashayeke ibona abangenamali. Kodwa wena oshayekile uyothola ukuthi ungcono kulomuntu ongashayekanga. Wena oshayekile. Wena oshayeke kakhulu ungcono kakhulu futhi. Wena oshayeke kancane weak osheshe ukhali ufragile. Hayi. Awunalutho emhlabeni awunasabelo kwelizayo naso umhlaba. Kuleli hayi kuyasetshenzwa kuleli hayi awukwazi ukwenza lutho lokho ngicishe ngaqinisekisa awukwazi ukwenza lutho. Siyabonga kakhulu mfethu ukuthi ilale ngizwile abantu bakho sebeyakufonela uzokufonela ubhuti isikhathi sakho ukuthi usithathe uzolalela presentation sisho lukhulu kakhulu. I was listening presentation bisenziwa nguSibu uDJ. I was listening. Kanti bana ngike ngathi ekhuluma ngendaba yokuthi ngize ngayithatha iclip ngeza ngona umuntu ayishele ku Facebook wakhe. Ngaze ngathatha iclip. Yeah, uthi uSibu ungadlala abantu bathi abafukuze. Ngiyafukuzwa emhlabeni. Wena ngibona ngiyama ngalezi moto. Ngiyafukuza ngiphelile. Wena ulokhu ufuna ukuqomana nami usho ukuba sisebenzele ipresident uthi ufuna ukuqomana nabani. Mina ngiyafukuza ekulunge. Ngiyafuna umuntu ongafukuzi. Mina ngiyafukuza mina. Njengoba ngibona nginomini nama-millions nje ngiwafukuzelile. Do not listen any amanga azokhulunywa ngomunye umuntu. Kuyasetshenzwa. Sonke sisebenzele ukuthi sifukuze la ukuthi siye lapha. Ngeke ivume le Facebook. Kodwa ngiyishare la ku Facebook. Why? Because it motivate kakhulu because abantu abaningi bacabanga ukuthi abantu abengama celebrate bayayithulela abantu. Abantu abafana abadlali ama celebrate afayo engenamali amaningi adlala ibhola ngoba ingqondo yayikhohlwa ngesikhathi edlala ibhola abese ezenza ezinye izinto bayafa ke baguleke bonke abadlali bafana inqwaba yabo Sizwe Ntamu John Shoes Mushe Phil Masinga bangcwatshwa because they don't have discipline and abaningi babahlele betshela ukuthi alalelani musane into ukuthi manje nemali nikhohle ukuthi fanele nenze uA no B no C nizoshona owayimpela ukushona kokuthatha kwayimpela kukhona umfana wedlaleni Sundowns engangithanda ngakho kwakuthiwa uBennett Masinga ushone 3 years back lo mfana kukho indlela bekhuli ngalo mfana Bennett Masinga ushone nalomfaka kubo manje uFilmon Masinga labafana baphelile manje bebedlalela iSundowns labafana because akekho umuntu obatrain iSouth African education do not train people to become better. Now uzotrainwa ngabantu uzotraina wena ugcina usungcono uzohlangana namakhampanize athi ugcina usungcono ayivumi. So sikumshikashika webusiness omuhle kakhulu one-reward. Hey, today this month nje ngebonus nje I'm close to 4,000 CRU points. I mean to 5,000. This is the bonus for the current month. Points. Angathi ngumlingo because